Hey everyone, welcome to Wednesday's Sign of the Week. I'm Danica from All Areas Speech Pathology, and something exciting is happening soon. There's an event coming. I wonder if you know what it might be. It's Easter time! Easter time is coming. So today I thought we might learn some Easter signs. Now we're going to learn a couple today, but if you'd like to learn more over the next couple of weeks here at All Areas Speech Pathology, we are going to be hosting some Easter keyword signing workshops. I'll pop the date in the comments below, but over the course of the next 3 weeks on Thursday nights, we're going to be running some keyword signing workshops where we're going to learn some Easter signs and some Easter songs. So I'm going to show you some fun ways how you can incorporate some of those Easter signs in your service or in your home. So I've done it a couple of times, but the sign for Easter looks like this. You're going to take this shape with your dominant hand. You're going to draw a cross on your non-dominant hand on the top. Easter. Easter. I wonder what Easter means to you. It means different things for different families. It might be about connecting with your family, spending time with family. It might be about celebrating different beliefs that you have within your home. It might be about chocolate. You might love Easter because it's about chocolate and chocolate eggs. It might be a time where you might go on holidays. For Easter, my family, we go on holidays and spend time together. So you might have a think about what Easter means to you. If you'd like to learn some more of those lovely Easter signs, we'd love to see you in our workshops. They are only $27. So a nice, quick, easy one, and they only go for 1 hour. So a nice, fun, quick, easy way to improve your keyword signing vocabulary for special events that are happening just like Easter. Thanks for joining me today for our Wednesday Sign of the Week, and I look forward to signing with you again next time. Bye.